Does Fidelity automatically invest Roth IRA? Fidelity's automatic investment feature allows you to set up recurring contributions to your Roth Individual Retirement Account, IRA. This process ensures consistent investing and promotes disciplined financial habits without requiring manual intervention. Automating investments can help avoid the pitfalls of market timing and take advantage of dollar-cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount at regular intervals to reduce the impact of market volatility. Consistent investing is crucial for building long-term wealth, especially in retirement accounts like Roth IRAs, where contributions grow tax-free. The convenience of automatic investing is one of its most significant benefits. Once the system is configured, it handles contributions and directs them into specific investments according to your preferences. This eliminates the need for constant monitoring, making it easier to stay on track with your financial goals. Automating your investments can also reduce emotional decision-making, helping you avoid impulsive reactions to market fluctuations. Over time, this strategy can contribute to a more stable and predictable investment approach. Dollar-cost averaging is another key advantage. By investing a set amount regularly, you purchase more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, potentially lowering your average cost per share. This approach helps mitigate the risks associated with market volatility and removes the need for market timing, which can be challenging and counterproductive. As a result, automatic investing can lead to better long-term outcomes and more consistent portfolio growth. However, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. While automation simplifies the process, it may lead to complacency. Investors might adopt a set-it-and-forget-it mindset, neglecting to periodically review their investment choices and account performance. Regular assessments are essential to ensure that your portfolio remains aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Additionally, the initial setup for automatic investments requires careful attention to detail. Errors in configuration could result in unintended allocations or missed contributions. It's crucial to verify all settings during the setup process and adjust as necessary over time. Some users have also reported difficulties in configuring automatic investments for specific accounts or investment products. In such cases, it may be necessary to seek assistance to ensure the system functions as intended. These challenges highlight the importance of understanding the tools and processes involved in automating your investments. In conclusion, Fidelity's automatic investment feature for Roth IRAs is a powerful tool for consistent and disciplined investing. It offers convenience, promotes regular contributions, and leverages dollar-cost averaging to enhance financial outcomes. However, automation should be balanced with active oversight. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your portfolio ensures that your investments continue to align with your evolving financial objectives. By combining the benefits of automation with mindful engagement, you can optimize your retirement planning and work toward achieving long-term financial security.